Welcome back to CarCrafted, the channel where we break down the cars that shape everyday driving and future mobility. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most recognizable and trusted names in the automotive world, the 2026 Toyota Corolla. This car has been a global bestseller for decades, and with the 2026 model, Toyota proves once again that reliability doesn't have to be boring. The new Corolla blends smart design, modern technology, impressive efficiency, and refined driving manners into a package that feels more premium and more confident than ever before. At first glance, the 2026 Toyota Corolla makes a strong visual impression. Toyota has refined the exterior styling to give the car a more athletic and modern personality while keeping the familiar Corolla identity intact. The front fascia looks sharper and more expressive, with slim LED headlights that stretch toward the sides, creating a wider and lower visual stance. The grille design feels cleaner and more integrated, balancing sportiness with elegance. Whether you're pulling into a dealership lot or driving through city streets, the Corolla now has a presence that feels more mature and upscale. Moving along the side profile, the 2026 Corolla shows off smooth character lines that flow naturally from front to rear. These lines don't just add style, they also improve aerodynamics, helping with fuel efficiency and highway stability. The proportions feel just right for a compact sedan, offering a sleek roofline without sacrificing rear seat headroom. Alloy wheel designs have been updated as well, with sharper patterns that add a touch of sportiness, especially on higher trims. Around the back, Toyota continues the clean and modern theme. The taillights are redesigned with a more angular look, giving the rear a confident and contemporary appearance. The bumper design feels solid and well finished, and subtle details like reflectors and trim accents make the car look thoughtfully designed from every angle. It's clear that Toyota focused on making the Corolla appealing not just to longtime fans, but also to younger drivers looking for a stylish and dependable daily car. Step inside the 2026 Toyota Corolla, and the improvements become even more noticeable. The cabin feels more refined, with higher quality materials and a layout that prioritizes comfort and usability. The dashboard design is clean and driver-focused, with controls placed exactly where you expect them to be. Soft touch surfaces, tasteful trim accents, and improved seat materials give the interior a more premium feel compared to previous generations. The infotainment system is one of the highlights of the 2026 Corolla. A larger, more responsive touchscreen takes center stage on the dashboard, offering crisp graphics and intuitive menus. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, making it easy to connect your smartphone and access navigation, music, calls, and apps seamlessly. Voice commands work smoothly, allowing drivers to keep their hands on the wheel and their eyes on the road. Behind the steering wheel, the digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable information. Speed, fuel economy, navigation prompts, and driver assistance alerts are displayed in a clean and modern format. The steering wheel itself feels comfortable and well-weighted, with controls that are easy to reach and use without distraction. Toyota has clearly focused on making the driving experience as stress-free as possible. Comfort has always been a strong point for the Corolla, and the 2026 model takes it a step further. The front seats are supportive and well-cushioned, making long drives more enjoyable. Rear seat passengers benefit from improved legroom and headroom, which is impressive for a compact sedan. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or heading out on a weekend road trip, the Corolla provides a comfortable and relaxed environment for everyone on board. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Corolla focuses on smoothness, efficiency, and reliability rather than aggressive power. The standard engine delivers responsive acceleration for city driving and confident performance on the highway. It's tuned to provide a balance between power and fuel economy, making it ideal for daily use. Acceleration feels smooth and predictable, and the engine remains quiet and refined under normal driving conditions. Toyota also continues to offer hybrid options for drivers who prioritize fuel efficiency and environmental friendliness. The Corolla Hybrid delivers impressive miles per gallon without sacrificing practicality or comfort. The transition between electric power and gasoline is seamless, creating a smooth and quiet driving experience, especially in stop-and-go traffic. For many drivers, the hybrid version represents the perfect combination of low running costs and dependable performance. On the road, the 2026 Corolla feels stable and easy to drive. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and uneven road surfaces while maintaining good handling and control. Steering is light and precise, making parking and tight maneuvers effortless. At higher speeds, the car remains composed, with minimal road noise entering the cabin. Toyota's attention to ride quality ensures that the Corolla feels confident in a wide range of driving conditions. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2026 Corolla continues the tradition with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard, offering technologies designed to help prevent accidents and protect occupants. Features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring work together to provide extra confidence behind the wheel. These systems are designed to assist, not overwhelm, the driver. Alerts are clear and timely, and the interventions feel natural rather than intrusive. For new drivers, families, or anyone who values peace of mind, the Corolla's safety technology is a major selling point. Toyota's reputation for building safe and reliable vehicles is clearly reflected in the 2026 model. Practicality is another area where the Corolla shines. The trunk offers ample space for groceries, luggage, or everyday gear, making it suitable for both daily errands and longer trips. The rear seats can be folded down to accommodate larger items, adding versatility that many compact sedan buyers appreciate. Storage compartments throughout the cabin provide convenient places for phones, cups, and personal items. Fuel efficiency remains one of the Corolla's strongest advantages. Even the gasoline-powered models deliver excellent mileage, helping drivers save money at the pump. The hybrid version pushes efficiency even further, making it one of the most economical cars in its class. With rising fuel costs, this level of efficiency makes the Corolla an especially smart choice for budget-conscious drivers. Another key factor that continues to attract buyers is Toyota's legendary reliability. The Corolla has built a reputation over decades for being dependable, durable, and low maintenance. The 2026 model carries that legacy forward, offering peace of mind to owners who plan to keep their car for many years. Maintenance costs are generally affordable, and Toyota's widespread dealer network makes service and support easy to access. From a value perspective, the 2026 Toyota Corolla stands out in a crowded market. It offers a strong combination of modern features, advanced safety, impressive efficiency, and proven reliability at a competitive price point. Whether you're a first-time car buyer, a daily commuter, or someone looking for a dependable family sedan, the Corolla delivers solid value without unnecessary complexity. What makes the 2026 Corolla especially appealing is how well it adapts to different lifestyles. For city drivers, its compact size and excellent fuel economy make daily commuting simple and stress-free. For suburban families, the spacious interior and strong safety features provide comfort and confidence. For long-distance travelers, the smooth ride and efficient powertrains make road trips more enjoyable and affordable. Toyota has also paid attention to sustainability, especially with the hybrid models. Lower emissions and reduced fuel consumption help drivers minimize their environmental impact without sacrificing convenience or performance. This makes the Corolla a forward-thinking choice for those who want to balance practicality with responsibility. In today's automotive market, where many cars focus heavily on flashy technology or extreme performance, the 2026 Toyota Corolla stands out by doing everything well. It doesn't try to be the fastest or the most luxurious, but it excels at being a dependable, comfortable, and efficient car that fits seamlessly into everyday life. That's exactly why the Corolla continues to be one of the most popular vehicles in the world. As we wrap up today's review here on CarCrafted, it's clear that the 2026 Toyota Corolla remains a benchmark in the compact sedan segment. With refreshed styling, a refined interior, modern technology, strong safety features, and outstanding efficiency, it proves that smart design and thoughtful engineering never go out of style. If you're in the market for a car that you can trust, rely on, and enjoy driving every day, the 2026 Corolla deserves a spot at the top of your list. Thanks for watching CarCrafted. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 Toyota Corolla, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video with another detailed car review, right here on CarCrafted.